Hello, my name is Julio, and we will be presenting our presentation on artificial organs about the kidney and the heart. Artificial organs are engineered devices that are mainly designed to help the minority, not the ones unfortunate enough to be born with lacking organs, so that they may be given a second chance at life. It is estimated by the Department of Economics and Social Affairs, Disability, of the United States that around 15% of the world's population live with disabilities. Now, that is around 1 billion people in numbers. However, when it comes to children, the mortality rate with these disabilities can be as high as 80%, depending on where they live in the world. These artificial organs can be arranged from something simple, such as an artificial limb, to something more complicated, like a pacemaker, for helping your heart beat at a healthier rate, which will help reduce risks of a heart attack or a stroke. Now, most devices are usually composed of metallic parts, and because of this, they usually impose some challenges in the user's daily life, but in exchange for these inconveniences, they are given more time to live with their loved ones and to learn more about their future.
The artificial heart serves as a substitute for damaged ventricles and valves in cases where the human heart has been compromised. It's an extraordinary medical advancement that provides hope for those in dire need. At this point, artificial hearts are primarily used for temporary periods. They come into play when patients are on a waiting list for a heart transplant, a life-changing procedure that can give someone a second chance at life. These artificial hearts are connected to a machine outside the body known as a driver, through tubes called pneumatic drive lines, which pass through holes in the abdominal area. Trials and studies have shown that approximately 80% of patients using artificial hearts survive until the heart transplant date, and an impressive 70% of these patients survive a year after receiving the artificial heart. However, it is important to acknowledge the challenges and risks. People living with heart failure are already at risk for conditions like blood clots and stroke. This procedure heightens those risks and exposes patients to additional complications such as bleeding and infection. For individuals already battling serious health issues, these risks become significantly more life-threatening. Nevertheless, it's crucial to understand that this procedure is often a last resort for patients with severe heart failure who are too ill to receive a donor heart. It offers them a second chance to improve their health and become eligible for a transplantation. The cost of an artificial heart are also extremely high, costing around $500,000. This includes the initial heart surgery and extensive hospital stays and maintenance of the device. The device alone costs around $30,000 to $45,000. The surgery itself is intricate and demanding, lasting up to 9 hours. A skilled team of heart surgeons and other specialists work together to perform the operation. Throughout the procedure, the patient is under general anesthesia, ensuring their comfort and safety. Doctors and nurses closely monitor vital signs such as breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. During this time, a ventilator aids in breathing, and the heart-lung bypass machine maintains blood circulation. The patient remains connected to the machine until the artificial heart is fully placed in their chest and begins to pump. In conclusion, the artificial heart presents a remarkable breakthrough in the field of medicine, providing a lifeline for individuals with severe heart conditions. While it comes with its share of risks and challenges, it offers hope for many. It bridges to a new life. This is a testament to the extraordinary capabilities of modern medicine and the unwavering commitment of healthcare professionals to saving lives.
Similarly to the artificial heart, the bioartificial kidney is at the forefront of medical treatment for individuals afflicted with kidney issues and disorders. This bleeding-edge biotechnology is built to completely substitute a damaged kidney, such as for those suffering from end-stage renal failure. Specifically, several research endeavors, such as the Kidney Project, have attempted to create an artificial kidney. Currently, the device comprises of 2 main components, the filtering unit and the bioreactor, which can jointly fulfill the same filtering function as the kidney. The filtering unit is a silicone membrane filled with nanopores, and the bioreactor contains encased live kidney cells. The artificial kidney directly attaches to the blood vessels for effective filtration of waste products. These devices could be more effective than organ transplants and dialysis treatment for patients on waiting lists. However, this technology is still under development and far from clinical application. Current prototype testing was undergone recently, and the device had adequately replaced the kidney's functions whilst not interfering with bodily processes in the background, similar to a pacemaker. As previously mentioned, in the current state of bioartificial kidneys, various projects such as the Kidney Project still require years of clinical testing and improvements. Because of this, no fixed costs exist for this implantable treatment, and current estimates are roughly around $9,000 USD, allowing for leeway in costs for manufacturers, materials, and the current world's economic state. With this project specifically, the conclusive goal is to attune the costs of the artificial kidney to other contemporary treatments. Although the device can replace the kidney's function completely, in its current state, this treatment is accompanied by several risks. For instance, vigorous body movement through strenuous activity such as exercising can dislodge the grafted device, resulting in severe complications. Although the bioartificial kidney is still in relatively early stages, this technology has significant future potential with stem cells. For example, patient stem cells could be used to build kidney organoids for greater integration of transplanted organs through these devices.
In summary, artificial kidneys and hearts represent remarkable potential in medical science. These breakthroughs are not solely about advanced technology, they are about saving lives and improving healthcare. The organs can offer relief to those suffering from organ failure, alleviating the burdens of chronic disease. In terms of safety, it's essential that we ensure these artificial organs are safe for patients. On top of that, we must address ethical concerns, ensuring equitable access for everyone regardless of their backgrounds. However, we cannot ignore the associated risk, which is why careful monitoring of these organs is critical to prevent complications and adverse effects, ensuring long-term safety. Looking to the future, I hope that the development of novel biomaterials will lead to the creation of more biocompatible artificial organs, potentially incorporating bioengineered tissues and 3D printed structures. In addition, these organs will become personalized, tailored to the individual's specific needs and genetic makeup, enhancing their effectiveness and reducing the risk of rejection. Thank you for listening.